All right, we're reviewing the radical rule. So I actually should have done this one first. I just did these over here where we needed to simplify root 68 and simplify root 32 and simplify root 84. That's what we're doing here. So we're figuring out what is a perfect square that goes into 32 evenly. Now, some of you might think 4 and 8. And if you did, you would not be wrong. You just wouldn't be as efficient, because 16 also goes in. And if I do it this way, I end up getting root 16 is 4 root 2, done. If I do it this way, I've got that, but then I need to also simplify 8, which would be 2 and 4. So I would have 2 times 2 root 2, which gives me 4 root 2, which is always, if 4 goes in, try 16. It's always a rule that I say. It helps out a lot. Let's look at root 20, same thing. We have 4 and 5. 16 totally doesn't go in though, so just 4 and 5 is it. So 2 root 5. Remember, you can't take the square root of 5, so it stays the same, but you can take the square root of 4. Last one, 4 goes in, so try 16, because 16 times 3 is your friend. And root 16 is 4, root 3 is root 3. So those would be the rememberings. Now, those are simplifying them. Here, the thing that we need to remember is this is saying 2 times something plus 4 times something. So it's kind of like saying 2x plus 4x. And 2x plus 4x is 6x. So this is saying 6 of these. It doesn't really matter if an x or if it's a root 3. You still will use the same rule. Now, for e, I need to simplify the root 8. The root 8 can be simplified as 2 root 2 times root 4, which is 2 root 2. So the square root of 4 is 2, and root 2 just stays the same. And now they're the same. So now I can say that that is 5 of those root 2's. Last but not least, separating these. So this would be what? 2 and 4. This will be 9 and 2. So this is square root of 9 is 3. Root 2 stays the same. Square root of 4 is 2. Root 2 stays the same. And that's 5 root 2. Now here's the deal. All of these here were the same. I had 6 3's. I had 5 root 2's. I had 5 root 2's. If this were different, if this said root 3 plus 2 root 2, then that is the answer. Because that's like saying x plus 2y. Those are different. So they're not like terms, so I would just leave that the same. All right.